Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change surname in all documents. Start by gathering your current ID, marriage certificate, and any legal name change order. Begin with government ID, then banks, employers, and insurance companies to avoid mismatches. Notify utilities and subscription services next, and update online accounts last. Use a simple spreadsheet to track submissions, dates, and confirmation numbers. Patience and organization will make the process smoother and reduce repeated requests. In this video, I will explain how to change surname in all documents. Start by updating government-issued ID like passport and driver's license, then social security records. Visit agencies in person when required and bring originals plus certified copies. Some offices allow online or mail updates, so verify procedures beforehand. Timing matters. Renewals may expedite changes. Confirm that new documents reflect the exact spelling and format to avoid mismatches. When updating, in this video, I will explain how to change surname in all documents. Start by notifying banks, employers, and insurance companies with certified documents. Request updated account records, checks, and benefit forms to match your new surname. For online accounts, change names and upload proof where required to prevent account holds. Keep copies of confirmation emails and reference numbers. Follow up if changes do not appear within expected timelines to avoid billing or identity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.